In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce checkout fields step by step, allowing you to add, edit, or remove fields easily. Whether you're setting up a new online store or simply want to refresh an existing checkout process, customizing your checkout fields can enhance the user experience and, ultimately, your sales. Now let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to install and activate a suitable plugin. You can do this by heading over to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to Plugins, and selecting Add New. In the search bar, type in the name of the plugin you're interested in. Once you find it, simply click Install and then Activate. It's as easy as that, and it sets the stage for all the customizations you're going to make. With the plugin installed and active, go to the Settings area. This can usually be found under WooCommerce, then Checkout Fields, or it might have its own menu in your dashboard, depending on the plugin you've chosen. You'll notice that the checkout fields are usually categorized into sections such as billing, shipping, and additional. These sections are where you'll customize your fields. To add a new field, you'll want to click on the Add Field button. The plugin will prompt you to choose the field type you want to create. Options include text, select, radio buttons, among others. Choose wisely based on how you want your customers to interact with the checkout page. Next, you'll need to assign a unique name for the field. This is for internal use. Then, specify a label, which is what customers will see. You can also add a placeholder for hints or examples, decide if this field is required, and add any CSS classes if you want to style it further. Don't forget to assign a default value if necessary, and set any validation rules to ensure the input is correct. Editing a field is just as straightforward. Locate the field you want to change and click its Edit button. You'll be able to change any attributes, such as the name, label, or validation rules, giving you full control over how the field operates and displays. Removing or disabling a field is a handy option when you need to streamline your checkout page. Usually, there's a straightforward toggle or remove action you can perform, or alternatively, you might find a checkbox to uncheck that reads Enabled. Most plugins will also allow you to drag and drop fields to reorder them, putting the most important fields where they'll be seen first, optimizing the layout and flow for your customers. Once you've made all your changes, remember to save them. It's wise to quickly test your checkout page to ensure everything's working as expected. Some plugins even provide options to control whether custom fields appear on order emails, in the admin order view, etc., which is great for consistency and record keeping. Finally, if at any point you want to revert back to the default fields, many plugins offer a reset to default option, allowing you to start fresh whenever necessary. In summary, customizing your WooCommerce checkout fields can significantly improve your customer's journey and potentially boost your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!